We're going to read the little paragraph, short sentence here on the left, and we're then going to highlight any words that can help inform what should go into that blank. We're not going to just plug and play with the answer choices. So, reading from the top, Nigerian American author Teju Cole's blank his two passions, photography and the written word, culminates in his 2017 book Blind Spot, which evocatively combines his original photographs from his travels with his poetic prose. So we should note that the blank has to match this idea of combining. So we've got to look at what's going to fit and match this idea that he combines it. So indifference to, well, if you're indifferent, you don't care. So that's a tone reversal. We're trying to evocatively combine these two things. Enthusiasm for, well, maybe that certainly could work. Now, concern about, certainly not, and he's not surprised. Then you want to read your choice back into the sentence to confirm that it makes an overall coherent narrative. So, Nigerian American author, and we could just call him TC's, enthusiasm for his two passions, photography and the written word, culminates in his 2017 book Blind Spot, which evocatively combines his original photographs from his travels with his poetic prose. We should feel pretty good about that selection, and we'll move on to the next problem.